Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm a Catholic Marathon mom, and I am super excited to be taking part in this homeschooler lunch collab. I thought this idea was perfect, and I'm super glad they invited us all to take part in the collab. I think we spend so much time schooling our kids, having an awesome plan for the day, giving them good things to learn, think about, spending time with them, reading to them, all the good things. And then lunchtime happens. You can kind of see them starting to wane a little bit, and then you're like, oh, it's lunchtime. Sometimes you just have the best idea and you're ready to go, and sometimes you just need an idea for a quick lunch. And then, of course, the best is leftovers, which you just warm up. So I have a couple of ideas for lunches, and I'm gonna just show you right here. I'm just gonna finish this green drink. It is super yummy. Even though it's green, it tastes like chocolate. First up is an egg salad. We don't keep a lot of bread in our house. We have some, but not a whole lot. So I'm just gonna be using hard-boiled eggs, red and orange peppers, some celery, and 2 different kinds of mayo. The regular mayonnaise for my kids and an avocado mayonnaise for me. And lunch is served. We've got an egg salad that I just mashed up the eggs, added the mayo, added a little bit of salt, and we just have a little crackers to dip on the side, some little peppers with some salt on them too. So now I'm just gonna make some Lunchables with some oven roasted turkey breast, some provolone, and sweet red pepper on the side again. And my kids, again, they like these. They're kind of fun, and we never get Lunchables. So I just take a pizza cutter, cut up the turkey, and cut up the provolone, put them on the crackers, and then just give them a little stack of crackers if they want to add it on. And then we just put a little salt on those peppers that are on the side as well. And now for some leftover action. I've got an Italian sausage that was cooked, some frozen naan, some provolone slices, and some black olives. We just put this in a 350-degree oven, and oh my goodness, the kids really love this. No sauce needed, and they ate it with a green smoothie, which let me show you now. So the green smoothie is plain organic whole milk yogurt, organic baby spinach, and Quest protein powder. This is the milkshake flavor. I also put in about a cup of ice and sometimes a little water to help with the blending. And I also put 2 packets of Splenda Naturals. It's the stevia. And this is the order I put it in. It really helps the blending. So I just pack it as much as I can with the spinach and then the ice on top. So let's just whirl this up. It almost looks like it's not going to come together, and then I usually do kind of stop it and then scrape down those sides of the big pieces of spinach to get it all blended together. And let's check it out. It makes this beautiful, thick, yummy smoothie, and I just put it on the side of their lunch. So I hope I've given you a couple of ideas, then you can try them out for yourself. Remember, be kind to yourself, use those leftovers and simple ideas to give your kids and yourself a yummy, nutritious lunch, because we all know how they get after lunch. They kind of want to check out and be done with school, right? But if we give them something nutritious, don't fill them up with sugar, we might have their attention a little bit longer. And again, I'm super grateful to be able to be part of this collab and get to meet some new friends. So God bless you guys. Cheers. Bon appetit.